Hey guys, welcome back. Over the time, our expensive horse will act as a tortoise. How many of you are the victim of the slowness? Comment below. I would like you to introduce Mr. Defense Byte software, which helps you to keep your horse as an horse. So let's get started. Defense Byte Computer Optimizer is a small piece of software which can be installed on Windows operating system. It is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, Windows 10. There is no update release for Windows 11 yet. The download size is around 10 to 11 MB. Installation is pretty straightforward and self-explanatory. Click on Download Free Trial button to download the software. It will prompt to enter your name, mail ID and mobile number to complete the download. Once the download is completed, you just have to click on Open to proceed with the installation. Accept the license agreement and click Install. When the installation is completed, you can open this software from taskbar or from the Start menu. When you open the computer optimizer for the first time, the software will notify you if your PC was ever optimized or not. This is the home screen. On the left pane, you will find the menu. The dashboard is the mainstream. Once you click Scan, it will optimize the system completely. Please make a note. This trial version is valid only for 14 days. I recommend you to watch it till the end. I will provide more insight into the other menus. You can find the detailed scan summary on the left pane. I will leave the download link in the description. One-click optimize. This will list the options for you to select and deselect what needs to be optimized. Example, temp files, cache files, so on and so forth. Browser cleaner. It lets you clear the cache, history, bookmarks, login data from all the installed browsers. You can always have an option to select what needs to be cleared. Registry cleaner. Registry is the complex part of the operating system, so please spend some time before you start cleaning the registry. And the protect option, as the name itself will indicate, it can help you to uninstall unnecessary software, remove the applications from startup. You can always lock the folders, block the websites, and start, stop, and disable the services. Once the optimization is completed, do not forget to reboot the machine. If you think this software helped you to boost your system performance, please share and comment below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.